What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And today, I figured we'd touch on a topic because apparently this is affecting quite a few people. I had no idea this was happening, but Nicehash is discontinuing service for the UK or the United Kingdom. That definitely affects quite a few people. I didn't know it had happened until I got some comments, I got some emails, and they were like, I don't know why, blah, 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 blah. So I did a little looking, and it looks like this one was posted. This article was posted last month. Let me pull it up here. There we go. So Nicehash becomes the latest crypto firm to leave the UK. The cloud mining service is discontinuing services in the United Kingdom ahead of new FCA regulations. The cloud mining platform Nicehash said that it will end UK access to its services in a statement emailed to users around September 22nd or 27th. Sorry. The company said that it will no longer provide services to users residing in the United Kingdom starting on October 10th. So that's in 8 days. Individuals residing in the UK. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the United Kingdom and you have money on Nicehash, you need to get it out now. It's never been a good practice to leave any kind of significant amount of money on Nicehash because they got hacked. Don't think they're going to get hacked again, but it happened once, it can happen twice. So yeah, pull that money out. UK residents will not be able to open new accounts after the deadline. The company also said that the existing UK users will no longer be able to trade, deposit, or withdraw funds after that date. So yeah, it is advised users to disconnect miners at an early date in order to avoid any possible loss of income. Nicehash said that change in availability applies to all services, including its exchange, mining service, its wallets, and its hash power marketplace, the latter of which allowed users to buy and rent hash power on a peer-to-peer basis. The company said that the decision is due to a regulatory changes in the UK, and it added that it aims to resume its services in the country as early as possible. Oh, FCA. Though Nicehash did not state precisely which regulations caused the service reduction, the UK Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, FCA just sounds like a horrible acronym anyway, old three-letter alphabet soup right there. They have implemented new rules around advertising and promoting crypto services. Those rules take effect in October, so it makes sense that they would turn their services off in October. In addition to imposing broad advertising regulations, the upcoming rules will go as far as to ban cryptocurrency referral schemes. The rules also describe severe penalties for violations, including the unlimited fines and up to 2 years in prison. Unlimited fines, that's something for sure. Other cryptocurrency companies have also reduced their UK services in light of the upcoming regulations. Those companies include PayPal, Bybit, and Luno. Binance additionally ended its attempts to register with the FCA this summer. However, this may be due to regulatory difficulties in general rather than the upcoming policy. So, holy smokes, there's a lot of people pulling out of the UK for crypto in general. Not a good look, in my opinion, but that's, I guess, the UK, their government's trying to protect their people, keep the Bitcoin out of their hands. Man, Not that you guys need Nicehash. You can just direct mine or mine through one of the other services, but I don't know if those services are going to be affected as well. It'd be curious to find out. So I guess we'll come back to this after October 10th. But ladies and gentlemen, if you are in the United Kingdom and you have money on Nicehash, this is your literally like last call. Get your coins, get your crypto, get your mama out of Nicehash, okay? So, yeah. I feel like that was probably a necessary topic to cover because people could potentially lose money. But anyway, other than that, I'm going to sign off here. I hope y'all have a good night. I will see you on the next one. And anybody mining Monero, what's going on with the sharp decline in profitability? Comment down below because I was looking and I don't really see anything other than the fact that it went down, like it halved, less than half. It went down big time. So All right, guys. Later. Peace.